everyone, and welcome to another Elliott Wave Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 19th of October, around 11 p.m. Eastern Time. And here we go, guys, with another daily technical, another Charts of the Day video, which is a Charts of the Day is a session that we have within Elliott Wave Forecast, in which every day we cover an instrument among the 78 that we cover in the daily basis, and we present it to the public through YouTube and all the social media channels, and also we publish it here on the homepage of the site. So today we're gonna make a video and we're gonna cover silver. Silver is at a very interesting stage at this moment. Silver on the weekly chart right here, it reacted very strongly from our blue box area back in 2020. Very strong reaction, and it makes a marginal new highs here. Because of the marginal new high, we believe that silver is doing a flat structure from the peak on 2020. And right now, we are entering the last stage of the cycle, which is the wave 5. And the wave 5 is what we're gonna cover today. So right here, we got silver from the wave 4 peak, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We got the 3, 4, 3, 4, and 5. There is an impulse, and we believe that silver at this moment is ending wave 1 or wave 5. That's the way that we're laboring. But keep in mind that silver on the weekly chart, our entry, our proposal minimum target area is 1825. That level has been touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, and today we are trading in that level again. That means overall, right there, that if the market is buying the level, usually when, but I believe that the market is not ready yet, and another low it will take place. Having said that, that's the reason why we are labeling silver as a 105, and we believe that within the next few hours or sessions, silver should see around 1786, 1758, 54, and a 3 waves bounce. It will happen with there. Then a wave 3, 4, and 5, and the weekly cycle might be ending. So that's our view in silver. That's our view in silver, and we believe that it's very technical. It's a flat on the weekly. It's a 5 wave send the 5th of October, and it should be soon putting back in more downside. But keep in mind that chasing silver lower here is very risky. It's very risky, and we're expecting that silver from this blue box area here find buyers, find strong buyers, and soon it's gonna rally. So be careful chasing lower, but it should do new lows below these lows right here. That's the charts of the day today. If you like the video, please join us either with a gold flash promotion here, 30% off the gold plan, or the 14 days trial, so you can see our work in 78 instruments when you pick one of the groups, either group 1, group 2, or group 3. All right. Thank you guys. So enjoy the video, and see you guys around. Thank you guys so.